come true.
Hey lovers and friends, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining, I do hope you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of Life with Munch. If you are a returnee, thank you so much for your dedication, time, and your effort. In today's video, I am making some granola. You understand? I'm making granola. So if you are interested, just carry on watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Before I start today, first thing I need to say is the fact that cooking / baking on camera is not as easy as it looks. It's a lot. It's personally a lot. More especially because I would say I don't have the right tools for cooking on camera. And if it wasn't for my love for acha, I probably wouldn't have been able to film this video, because where was I going to put all the little ingredients? Where? So because of my love for acha, I was able to keep those containers, and these containers are the ones that came in and saved the day. Shout out to acha, let me say that. And second of all, I just want to say, don't think because you're comfortable in the kitchen you are a genius all the time. If it's a recipe you've never tried before, my friend, maybe actually read the recipe. And because what I did, I just looked at the recipe and I was like, okay, I get it, I get the concept, and I was like, let's go. Oh, sweetie. Just carry on watching the rest of the video. I will talk you guys through it with a voiceover, and then I will catch you guys at the end. Here's the first batch of granola that I made. As you can see, it is a little too golden brown, but it's okay. And then here are the raisins that are rock hard, so I had to just pick them out. Guys, that's the sound of these raisins. They are literally rock hard. You will need 3 cups of rolled oats, 2 to 2.5 cups of nuts and seeds. And I understand in the video there's only 1 cup. That's because that's all I had in my place. But at the end of the video, I did add some more nuts and seeds. You will need 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, which is not enough for me personally. So at the end, I added some more cinnamon as well. You will need 1/2 cup of oil, as well as 1/2 cup of honey or maple syrup. And then you can also just add in some dried fruits if you prefer, like cranberries, banana, goji berries, anything, man. Oh, and raisins. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. The next thing you want to do is mix all your dry ingredients together, and let's just ignore that I've added all my ready to eat nuts, raisins, as well as seeds. I'm then adding my oil, and I'm not sure why I decided to add half and then stop halfway. I don't know but you'll see I'll add it at the end. I'm then adding my honey, which I warmed up a bit on the stove, and I'm mixing everything together. Many moons later, I'm attempting to make the granola using the second batch that I had already pre-mixed. So you can see me picking out all the ready to eat ingredients, which are the raisins, the nuts, and the seeds. I managed to pick out the pumpkin seeds, but not the sesame and sunflower seeds, because those are way too small. I mean, you can even see my nails are different. So this is like now, and that other video was like many moons ago. But I did keep this mixture in the fridge. Transfer your granola into a baking dish that is lined with baking paper. Pop your granola in the oven for about 10 minutes. Take it out and run a spoon through it to make sure that it is baking evenly on all sides. After another 10 minutes, take it out to check if it is baked according to your preference. If not, you can just put it back in the oven for about 5 more minutes and it should be ready. I'm then adding back the ingredients that I took out just before I baked the granola, and I decided to add some more cashews, macadamia nuts, almonds, lots of cinnamon, and the seed mix, as well as chia seeds. And your granola is ready. All you need to do is just store it in an airtight container for about 7 to 10 days, and anything longer you want to keep it in the fridge so that it stays fresh. That's all. In conclusion, I just want to say, don't think olipara. Do not think oates all the time. But that's about how must be also in reading recipes. The only thing I will definitely do different is adding the cinnamon at the end, because I feel like when I add it in the beginning, I just feel like it disappears. I don't know, that's just me. So I will add it at the end. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me something cute, okay? And please share this video and tag me so I can see it and repost it so that more people can see it. And you know, most importantly, subscribe. Stay tuning into the channel. See you next time. Bye.